Also, just so you guys know, we got the new bike setup with the new pedals that are like kind of like wavy with the pink and black, which I like. We got pink grips. I was gonna get pink tires, but and a pink chain, but didn't happen to get that, so yeah. We're gonna go hit some jumps today. And yeah. These two are really close together, but yeah. There we go. Like that one a bit, right over there. And then this one's right beside it, so I'm gonna hit this one up next. It's right here, so yeah. Oh, there's a wasp nest, it looks like. Right in it. It's never a good thing, but still gotta do it. That one's like probably my new favorite. Go. Just dropped my GoPro and the camera cracked, but hopefully that doesn't affect the recording. Okay, here we go. Anyways. Yeah, pretty fun. But now we're gonna get off the bike shop. This might be the last jump of the day, but I haven't done this in a while, so here we go.